Hey y'all, it's Mary, and this is Mary Catherine Loves Cats, and I have jumped on the Temu bandwagon. I am in a collab with 10 other channels, y'all, and these are wonderful channels, and I can't go into detail about how fabulous they are and how much I love them, but you know that I do if I'm working with them, because we don't have a lot of time. There are 11 videos for you to watch, so you want to keep them on the shorter side. But I will say their names really fast, and we'll have a playlist below. And Jackie from Miss Jackie Russell, she is the hostess of this collab. She put it all together and got us all together. And then Tracy from Tracy and Chloe's Unboxing Beauty and More, she made our wonderful ad and our thumbnails for us. Thank you so much, Tracy. And then we have Jessie Miller Unboxings and More. We have Katie's Corner of the World, Kim's Happy Place, Lauren Wooten Reviews, Bonnie's Bargains, Unboxing with Arlene, Kiki's Crackerjack Box, and Tea Time Adventures, and me. So there's 11 channels. So we are all doing a giveaway, and you have to be subscribed publicly to all 11 of us to win any of our giveaways. So we are going to show you 10 items from Temu that we picked out. And there won't be time for me to show you the full giveaway, but I'll talk to you about it. I want to tell you a little bit about Temu. I do have a code. If you are not familiar with Temu, I'm very surprised because everybody has bought from them. But if you are going to go shopping after watching my video and you want to save 30%, I have a code below that will save you 30% on your first order. And I used it myself, and it really does work. And then they have all kinds of sales and things going on all the time. And sometimes things will be in your cart and you'll get a little text or an email saying, hey, this thing went on half price. So they have some great sales all the time. But Temu is just absolutely incredible. It is they have everything. I mean, I'm going to read you some of the things they have. It features a wide variety of inexpensive products in apparel, footwear, beauty and health, home and garden, electronics, office products, pet supplies, sports, and outdoor categories. I mean, I can't go on. There's just too many. There's bags, there's beauty and health, there's, like I said, electronics. I think I've said that already. So many home items, home appliances, men and women's wear, shoes, accessories, musical instruments, pet supplies, galore pet supplies. Now, I didn't get any pet supplies today, but I have in the past, and I do have more. I bought a ton of stuff, so I have more to show you, but this is what I'm going to show you for this video. You may have seen, let me see, I don't know where to start. I don't know where to start, y'all. Okay, so this package of nail files, this was, I do have my pricing on some things. This was $2.88, and I think there's 10, 3, 6, 9, there's 10 in here. They're all different designs, and they're just the nice cushy ones. They're very nice to have. These are the kind of thing that are great. You can use them, you can wash these, you know, clean them off and keep them. I keep these kinds of things in my office, next to my bedside, in my bathroom, in my purse, everywhere. They're just great to have. And then I use reusable cups, you know, those thermal kinds of cups and things like that, and I use the straws. And I did get myself some straws, but I also got some of these for myself. This is a set of 3, and look at how nice these are. These are to clean your straws. I'm leaving that in the package, and they have a little handle. You push into your straw and clean your straw because, you know, the straw can get gunky from things, especially if you drink like I do, iced coffee with milk, you know, so you want to be able to clean it out. You can rinse them, but it doesn't get inside. So, and then these can be used for other things as well. And now what I'm showing you is going to be in a giveaway for you. These are yours, and these are yours as well. And then I have, this is for you. It's still packaged, but I'll show you the one I got for myself. This is a mirror. It has a suction cup, so you can put this on in your bathroom, stick it on your mirror, put it in the shower, put it on your other mirror, your makeup mirror, it'll stick. And this is a 15-time magnification. Of course, you're not gonna be able to see that by me flashing it at you, so I won't, because it'll just bring in all the lights. But it's 15 times magnification. A lot of times on a mirror, you're gonna get 2 or 5 times the magnification, maybe 10 times. This is 15. So, you know, I have a little whiskers instinct, you know, so mine will get a lot of use, okay? So I have one for you as well. And I thought this was so cool, y'all. This, I'll put this back in the package for you, but I took it out so that you can see it. This is a USB port, and this goes into your laptop or your tablet. And then I'm not going to bend it or anything, but it has a wire in there for you to bend it and shape it any way you want. And it's a light. It's a light to help you. Maybe at night you're reading your tablet in bed and you don't want to disturb your husband or your partner. So you can have that little light. I thought that was the coolest little thing. They have really cool little things like that. Really cool little things like that. And of course, you know, y'all, I have to try the nails. These are for you. These were, these were on sale for 80 cents. 80 cents, y'all. This is a set of nails. Now, I got a set for myself, too, in that same, and I did start to open it because I wanted to see what was involved. Because the nails that I buy have stickers on them because y'all know I wear press-on nails. This package, 80 cents. Now, this was a sale. Normally, these are like $1.79, $2.88, different prices like that. So there are 24 nails, so different sizes, and this particular set has patterns to it. You can get some that are just plain. You can get coffin shape, you can get pointy, you can get all different shapes as well. This is more to my liking, And it comes with a little file, and it comes with a sheet of plastic, of stickers, I'm sorry. Comes with the stickers. So when I get the brand that y'all know that I use, the stickers are already on the nails for you to use. These you have to do the work yourself, but I thought for 80 cents, I'm gonna try it. So I didn't have time to do it before this video, but I do buy sheets of nails of stickers like this also, and you can get these on Temu as well. So this is what comes in your package, okay? So you will have to do the work yourself, but I think it's gonna be worth it for the price. So next I have, and I have so many things, I'm trying to show you 10. I hope I am showing you 10. I have you this bag of these beautiful little things. These are for your necklaces, your bracelets. I have others as well. Whoever wins, I'm going to talk to you about it. This is a set of 5. I also got some that have like balls, gold balls. So, but this will go on your necklace or on your bracelet. And I don't know how close I can get that to you to see. All right, there. It's a heart with, rhinestones. The back side is just a gold heart. And you will hook this to your necklace or bracelet. And then it's a magnet. So it's easy closure. So if you don't have someone to help you with your bracelets especially, perfect. Perfect right here. I have the hearts and I have some balls. So I will share with you what I have. You'll tell me what you like. We'll talk, whoever wins, we'll talk back and forth about it, okay? I thought those were really, really cool. I have some like this, the heart ones that I've received in the past. So I just really like those. Then they're so inexpensive. If you drop them or if they fall or something, you're outside, they're gone. No worries, y'all. Okay, and next up, I'm not sure how far I got, but I've got a couple of special things for y'all. I got this package of wax. These are for you. There were 12 in the package. I'm keeping 6 and I'm giving you 6. So let me show you what this is all about. Y'all, I used to love to do this. I used to love to seal envelopes with wax. So I have some stamps, and I got you a stamp. I got me a stamp. These are 2 cats. I don't think you can possibly see them, but I didn't get the handle. Temu, just as we started this collab and ordered our items, Temu got really, really giant, and our orders took a long time to get instead of just a short time. Usually things come very quickly from Temu. So I didn't get the handles. There's a wood handle that you're going to receive for this, and you're going to get the rose. And what you do is you light this with a, you light that with a lighter, and then you hold that over your envelope and drip, drip, drip your wax, and then you'll have this screwed onto your handle, and you'll press it down, and you'll have a beautiful rose impression on your envelope, okay? So you're getting 6 wax sticks, you're getting the rose, and you're getting the handle, okay? So, and then next I have this I just thought these were so beautiful. I bought them in different, I had several orders and they put them all together. So these are earrings and I have them on. I thought they were exactly the same, but they're not. Okay, so they look very, very similar. Let me see, what do I have that can go behind here? Maybe not anything, but there, okay. This is the set that I have on, and then this is the set that I will be giving to you. Very, very similar, gorgeous stone, and then it has rhinestones around it. Of course, it's fake, you know, but these were $1.98, and that is everything I showed you is your giveaway. I hope that was 10 items. Y'all, that was 9. Okay, so 10. I have so many things. I have so many things that I want to give y'all, and you will be getting more in your giveaway. I have these. I wanted to tell you about this really quick because when I saw this, I went to buy it, and I thought it was 78 cents. But that's for one sponge. So this package was, I thought I wrote it down, but I don't see it anywhere on, $1.88 for this. So there's 4 in there. I haven't opened them. They, you know, it's cute, looks like a little egg crate. There's different shaped ones for your makeup, so really cool, okay? So that is your 9 products. We also ask that you just vote on how you liked our video, how you liked what we showed you. You don't have to, there's 11 of us, you don't have to vote like 1 to 11. Just what do you think of we're not competing or anything. Just what do you think of what I showed you? Do you like it? Do you not like it? If you don't like it, maybe a 1. If you like it, maybe a 10, like that, 1 to 10. How does that sound? And just let me know what you think of it. And so the items I showed you are all in your giveaway, and then I will put more things in your giveaway. So if you are the winner, I will show you a couple of palettes that you can pick from, and I'll get to know, I'll ask you some questions if you prefer makeup or skincare, and we'll get you a nice bundle together, okay? So just the usual rules apply. My rules are always in the description for the giveaway. You have to be subscribed to all 11 of us publicly. You have to have a continental United States mailing address for me to send this to. 18 years or older. YouTube has nothing to do with this. Once I get a tracking from the post office, I will not be responsible anymore for this. If anything bothers you or causes you an allergic reaction, I'm not responsible. Everything that you receive is bought by me. This will end in 2 weeks. And I'll put the dates below. I'll end it probably at noon so that I might be able to record that evening, the winner. And then in a day or 2 or 3, again, with all of us, we're gonna end it at the same time, the same day. And then look in the next day or 2 or 3 for their video of the winner, or some people put it on their community tab, the winner. I will make a video, so look for my video. Sometimes I incorporate it into a Mass Monday or a Friday Night Gab. So look for that, y'all. And that's it. Just comment below. Oh my goodness, you got to comment below something, y'all. Say mirror, M-I-R-R-O-R, and that will be your entry word into this giveaway, because I know a lot of people come on just to say I'm here for support. So thank y'all for stopping by. Count your blessings. Good to see you. Sorry so fast, but you've got so many other videos to watch. Y'all go on, and thank you for stopping by. Bye-bye. Count your blessings.